one side is empty. Both sides is solid. Paper suction is controlled by air cylinder. Long time running will make the air sealing ring very hard and be broken easily and cause air leaking issue. Prevent wet air with water from entering solenoid valve. Longer service life, more stable and better. The rod will be break easily in short time running. New design is durable, better quality, is not easy to be broken in long time running. Plastic pipe is broken easily and cause air leaking and cup bottom leakage issues. It is adopted with metal pipes which is durable. It can be used for a long time. The cup will be stick to the mold and cause issues. It can cool the mold easily and make the cup discharge easily. The life of this type of relay is generally less than 1 year. US brand Honeywell relay life is more than 5 years.